of skin. And the outermost layer of skin is dead skin. It's like dandruff. It's actually called stratum corneum. We have a device that was invented at MIT which actually measures the thickness of the dead skin and removes the dead skin by a process known as microdermabrasion. After you remove the dead skin, you would then apply a biosensor. This is our glucose biosensor. This biosensor sits up on the surface of the skin and reads the blood sugar now in the blood vessels, the capillaries, which are right underneath the surface of the live skin. So glucose, which diffuses out of the blood vessels or leaks out of the blood vessels, comes in contact with our biosensor, and after about a half hour, it gets a continuous reading of blood sugar and sends a wireless signal to a handheld monitor. So you can see right here, my blood sugar is 133 milligrams per deciliter, and you can see the line across the front of the device. You can see the rises and the falls in my blood glucose. I had a couple of Swedish fish before I came in, so you can see it rise very rapidly and get processed very rapidly. And you can see the red regions, which is the areas where you don't want to be. There are actually other companies out there that make continuous glucose monitors, but they all use a needle. I'm wearing one right now on my sleeve where you can see when you open up the biosensor, there is no needle attached to the surface of this biosensor. You permeate the skin using the Prelude device. It takes about 3 to 5 seconds to permeate the skin. You then close the biosensor down, and there's no needle associated with it. The competitors out there have a needle that goes down into the subcutaneous fat and draws the glucose out that way. So we're completely non-invasive relative to the competitors. By the way, I should say you'll never wear it on your forearm. You'll generally wear it on your torso because it's more discreet. But yeah, you will move it from your left lower quadrant to your upper pec to your right to your left every day to 2 days as the dead skin regrows, because what will happen is when that dead skin regrows, it prevents the glucose from coming in contact with our biosensor. Again, so you need to repermeate the skin at another site.
And just so everyone out there knows, this is not yet FDA approved, but when do you expect that this might be available for diabetics out there who are obviously hoping to avoid pinpricks?
Soon. We hope that the product's on the market in Europe next year, in probably the first half of next year, and then in the second half in the United States.
And since most type 1 diabetics are diagnosed as children, this is such cool technology, because last thing you want is a child who gets newly diagnosed to have to prick their skin day in, day out, multiple times a day. Very cool stuff. Thank you so much for opening up this. Thanks for that. And our next one